guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and today I'm by myself again. But today I'm going to fix a baked potato in the air fryer. I'm also having lamb chops, but I'm not doing a video on that one yet. Alright, the advantage of doing this is it takes a little less time, but you don't have to heat up that oven because it gets very hot in there. I'm going to, hope y'all can see this. I've scrubbed my potato. Whatever, russet potato. I'm going to put a little bit of canola oil in here. You don't want to use olive oil for this because you want a high heat. And into my oil, I'm going to add some pepper. I want my skin to be really crisp and tasteful because I do eat the potato skin. Salt. And of course garlic. You don't need to preheat your air fryer. Well, I've tried it too. I'm just going to take my hand and do all this. Put this all over the skin. Put it right in the middle. Turn it on. I want the temperature at 400. And I'm going to do it for about 40 minutes. I'll probably check it after 30 minutes. And hit start. And we will be back in 40 minutes. See you in a minute. Alright guys, this just went off. My lamb chop got done before my potato did. And I checked this and it is nice and crispy. So, let's cut into this. Oh, that's going to be so good. Oops, making a mess. I used to work at Wendy's years ago, and you know, they have the baked potatoes, and they have a little, I can't explain what it looks like. Once we cut them, it breaks all the potato up for you. And all I'm having on this is some butter. And some sour cream. I might put some salt and pepper on it once I get it on the plate. But, like I said, this is my lunch today. I think it's a pretty good lunch. Lamb chop and baked potato. Sorry, no real greens or vegetables. But hey, it's lunch. I want y'all to know I got my table all set up. Let me show y'all what I got going on. I got my sweet tea, got my laptop going on, and I'm going to sit there and watch videos and eat my lunch. First off, I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you're new here, take a look around. Hopefully you'll like what I've got, what I cook. I try to make instructions for all levels of cooking. And my favorite, of course, is Southern cuisine. But give this video a big thumbs up. I appreciate that. Comment and share it out on your social media. I'll see y'all later, guys. Lunch is ready. Bye.